Hello Live Wires, Heather Boyd Wire here, and today it's Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to transform regular earring hooks into a kidney style hook and also to embellish them with beads. What you're going to need for this project are your hooks. I have the traditional coil and ball style shepherd's hook. I also have some duds that sometimes they come in the bag where they don't have the spring on them. And we're going to make a little kidney hook like that. We'll also need 6mm or 4mm beads. These are miracle beads, and you need your tools. So to remove the ball and the coil, we're just going to slowly open these up. Now these are made with stainless steel or surgical steel, and so they're pretty resistant. You just don't want to bend them back and forth too much or they can snap. So we're going to remove the coil and the ball, put your 6mm bead, and then we can get our larger round pliers, or you can also use beadsmith looping pliers, and we're just going to hold this and bend it back and around. You want it to fit right in there so it closes up, and then you can dangle any earring on that hook. Now I'll use one of my duds. Same idea. We're just going to start by opening it up. These are the Xuron tweezer nose pliers. We'll just open it up like that. Put on a 4mm bead, and then if you loop this one, it's going to make a very large loop. So clip it. You're probably better to use memory wire cutters. And if you want to bend it in the other direction, so the earring hook is perpendicular, we're just going to pull it this way and bring it around like that, so the loop is facing out. It really just depends on the direction of the loop at the top of your earring, which direction you want these loops to be. To make the kidney style hook, we're just going to again straighten out this part here. We want it nice and straight. You can use the tweezer nose pliers or some regular chain nose flat nose pliers. And we're going to remove the ball and the coil. And then from here, we're actually going to start our little loop here. So we're going to take our round nose pliers, loop this around, just right around here. Bring it right around. We have about a 1/4 inch from there to there. We'll hold this here and then grab this with your fingers or with the flat pliers and just bend it out at an angle. And then this part, you could squeeze it in here just a little bit, and then you can slide whatever earring bit you want on there, and you can always close it up after. Take your tweezer nose pliers, and we're just going to bend this way. Just bring it in so it makes a hook. And then here we can also straighten out this end a little bit. We don't need it to be so long, that part, and just give it a little bend just closer to the end there. Now we can get our round pliers in there or the end of a pen, stick it in here, and then we can just wiggle this around and back. So we keep the round form there, bring it right to the edge there. You could bend that up at more of an angle, and then it's just going to hook right in there, and there you have your kidney style earring hook. So thanks so much for watching the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for lots more wire art and jewelry making videos. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I go live and when I post new videos. And if you'd like to share photos of your wire art and jewelry, be sure to join the Wire Makers Club on Facebook. And if you'd like to check out my work on Etsy, my husband and I specialize in custom wedding cake toppers and funky jewelry. I also have a mailing list, so if you'd like to sign up below, I'll send you my Wire Art Essentials ebook. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you the next time.